What is a feature that is inarguably hot, regardless of gender? 1. Smelling good. 2. Definitely humor. When you have the same sense of humor as someone else and you can just feel the click, that's an amazing feelings. 3. Rolled up sleeves. Hot on anyone and everyone emo. 4. Hugs, but like the kind that are just really warm and genuine. The kind that breathe life into somebody. 5. Passion. When someone speaks about something they're really passionate about, I can sit down and talk with them for hours. Just to hear them speak about it. 6. Eyes and butts. 7. Emotional intelligence and communication skills. If you can tell me what you're feeling during a disagreement without being hurtful, and can also tell me what you're feeling and what feels good. That's hot. 8. Smile. 9. A good singing voice. A lot of singers are okay, but there are a few that certain parts of their songs will give me that same rush like someone kissing my neck. 10. Confidence. Being sure of yourself goes a long way. It comes across in how someone walks, talks, wears clothes. Even